Hello, welcome back once again. Today we have this interesting Olympiad mathematics problem, and in this video we're going to solve for all real values of x. From the left hand side we have the square root of 1 plus x plus the square root of 1 minus x. This is equal to 3 all over 2. In our next step, let us square both sides of this equation. So squaring both sides, from the left hand side, let us make use of this identity. A plus b squared, this is equal to a squared plus b squared plus 2 times a times b. So making use of this, we get the first one here squared. We know square, we cancel square root. We have 1 plus x plus the second one here squared, square we cancel square root, we have 1 minus x. Then we have plus 2 multiplied by the first one, square root of 1 plus x, multiplied by the second one, square root of 1 minus x. Then this is equal to 3 squared will give us 9, divided by 2 squared will give us 4. Okay, now here we know x minus x is 0, so we get 1 plus 1, which is 2. So we have 2 plus 2 times the square root of the 2 terms here. So we have 1 plus x and 1 minus x. They are products. Since we have product of two numbers, two quantities under the square root, right? So that is going to be 1 plus x multiplied by 1 minus x under one root sign. This will be equal to 9 divided by 4. So if you look at this place carefully, you will observe that we have the difference of two squares. So we get 2 plus 2 times the square root of, so that would be 1 minus x squared, right? So this will be equal to 9 all over 4. Now subtract 2 from both sides, so we get 2 times the square root of 1 minus x squared. This will be equal to 9 over 4 minus 2. So we have 2 times the square root of 1 minus x squared. This will be equal to, remember this 2 here is same as 8. Is that 8? Yes, 8 all over 4. Right? Yes. Okay, so 9 minus 8 will give us 1. So this is same as 1 divided by 4. Now, in our next step, let us divide both sides by 2. So this 2, we cancel this 2 from here. From here, we get square root of 1 minus x squared. This will be equal to here. This will be same as 4 times 2 here. So we get 1 over 8. Now, in our next step, let's square both sides. We know square, we cancel square roots. We have here 1 minus x squared. This will be equal to 1 squared is 1 divided by 64. 8 squared, which is 64. Okay, so subtract 1 from both sides, so we get x. Are we subtracting 1? No. 1 minus x squared is equal to 1 over 64. X squared is also equal to 1 minus the number which is at the right hand side, 1 divided by 64. From here we get x squared is equal to this one here is same as 64 divided by 64, just to obtain equal denominators, right? So minus 1 divided by 64. Subtracting, we get 63 divided by 64. Now we're going to take the square root of both sides. So here we get x is equal to plus or minus the square root of 63 divided by 64, which is equal to plus or minus the square root of 63 divided by the square root of 64. This is equal to plus or minus the square root of, this is 9 times 7 here, divided by square root of 64 will give us 8. So from here, we get x is equal to plus or minus square root of 9 is 3. So we get 3 times root 7, then divided by 8. And this is the correct answer. Thank you for watching. Please kindly subscribe to my channel. Also like, comment, and share.